This video is showcased on our CNC copper tube punching and extrude machine. The maximum processing tube diameter of this equipment can reach 110 millimeters. It can punch holes of different diameters on tubes of various sizes, and the longest length can be up to 2.5 meters. Moreover, it can punch holes on copper tubes at different angles, including 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees, and 180 degrees. Additionally, we can customize different fixtures according to customers' requirements to meet the punching needs at different angles.